Hello everyone. In the previous class we discussed about the internal architecture of IC 555 and its application as timer circuits such as the astable and monostable multivibrator. In today's class we discuss about the application of IC such as IC 78 series as well as 79 series for the voltage regulation application respectively for the positive voltage and negative voltage. We also discuss about the IC 565 and its application for phase lock loop circuits. You might have heard about the voltage regulators.
Regulate the voltage and stabilize at a voltage at a particular level. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് വേണ്ട മെയിൻ ആയിട്ടുള്ള കമ്പോണൻസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ we need to have a filter. So this is an AC supply. So we first rectify this one. So we had to use a rectifier.
The output of the popular rectifier such as the half wave or full wave rectifier is not pure DC. It has got some AC components
in that. That's why we will get a value for the ripple factor. So we had to reduce that components. അപ്പോൾ അതിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ filters ഉപയോഗിക്കും. That is normally we use capacitor based filters. Then we use certain IC chips, so which will be designed for particular voltage regulation. Function of voltage regulator is to keep DC output voltage to a certain value. So some predetermined values. നമുക്കൊരു 5 volt regulation വേണമെങ്കിൽ we had to use a IC called IC 7805. So which are available at fixed positive or negative values. In your syllabus, you will be having these two ICs. One is 78 series and other one is 79 series. So 78 series that is for the positive voltage regulators for positive voltage. And there is another series called 79 series that is for negative voltage. So if you want to have a minus 5 volt, then we will be using 7905. If it is 8 volt, minus 8 volt, then it will be 7908. 78 series for positive voltage regulators and 79 series for negative voltage regulator. IC chip will be having 3 pins. One is the input terminal, the second one is ground terminal, and three is the output terminals. So this is 1, 2, 3. Left side that is the input, central ground, third output ആയിരിക്കും. ഇത് different ആണ്. For 79 series the order is different. How this IC is used for the fixed voltage regulators. The input is taken between the pin 1 and ground. അപ്പം ground common terminal ആണ്, that is the second pin. First one is the input terminal. So input voltage will be connected between this Vin and the ground, and normally this voltage will be ranged from 7 volt to 35 volt, 7 volt to 35 volt. So we want to have a plus 5 volt regulated voltage at the output. So the ground pin will be used for the it is the common terminal, and here you can see there are capacitors for filtering purpose. So the capacitor C1 is called the bypass filter, which is used for in order to bypass very small spikes in the input voltage. So this is at the input voltage. നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ കൊടുക്കുന്ന input voltage there can be some noise kind of things. അങ്ങനത്തെ ഷാർപ്പ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ചില പീക്സ് കാണും. അതിനെ bypass ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് we use C1. Then there is C2 here and C3 here. So these are filter capacitors. Filter capacitors എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇത് C2 and C3 are used for to bypass these kind of slow changes in the input and output voltage. C1 and C4 are bypass capacitors, and C2 and C3 are filter capacitors. 1 Vin, 2 ground, 3 is for the output. So output also will be taken between the ground and output. The pin 2 and 3 input is between 1 and 2. 7805 for plus 5 voltage, 7806 for plus 6 voltage, 08 for plus 8 voltage, 10 for plus 10 voltage, 12 for plus 2 voltage, and 7815 for plus 15 voltage, 78184 plus 18 voltage and 78244 plus 24 voltage. So these are the commonly available IC in the 78 series. This is the next one, that is the negative voltage regulators. So if you want to have some negative voltage like minus 5 volt, minus 12 volt, ഇതും ആവശ്യമുണ്ട് നമുക്ക്. അപ്പൊ അവിടെ അതിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് we had to use 79 series ICs. So IC pin configuration is different here. So the first pin is ground, whereas for 78 series the first pin was input, second pin is input, and third pin is output. So here also we'll be having input voltage which will be varied between this plus minus 5 volt to minus 24 volt, and output will be very close to the 5 volt if you are using 7905. 7905. Okay. അപ്പോൾ ഇൻപുട്ടിൽ വാരിഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വോൾട്ടേജ് ആണ്. ഇറ്റ് ക്യാൻ വാരി ഫ്രം 5 to 24. So this is the configuration for regulators. Here we'll use two capacitors C1 and C2. Again, this is for the filtering in order to improve the stability of the input signal, and the regulation is happening here. Between 1 and 2 terminal, we will give the input, and output is measured between 1 and 3. So these are the commonly available 79 series ICs, IC 79XX series.